In this video, we're exposing the critical mistakes that destroyed once unstoppable companies. From Blockbuster's arrogance to WeWork's chaos, these are the stories every future entrepreneur needs to hear. Part 1. Blockbuster, the missed chance that killed a giant. At its peak, Blockbuster had over 9,000 stores and dominated Friday nights across America. In 2000, Netflix offered to sell for just $50 million. Blockbuster laughed. 10 years later, Netflix was worth billions. And Blockbuster filed for bankruptcy. Why? They refused to adapt, clinging to outdated models while the world moved online. Part 2. Nokia, killed by its own ego. In the early 2000s, Nokia owned over 50% of the global phone market. Then the iPhone arrived. Instead of innovating, Nokia doubled down on its old tech. Executives ignored internal warnings, delayed software upgrades, and underestimated Apple. Result? Obsolete within 5 years. Part 3. WeWork. From unicorn to meltdown. WeWork was once valued at $47 billion, but behind the hype was chaos. Founder Adam Neumann spent recklessly, bought private jets, and leased buildings to himself. Investors panicked. The IPO failed. Within months, the company lost over $40 billion in value, all because no one said stop. Lesson conclusion. These weren't random failures, they were self-inflicted. Pride, ego, and poor leadership brought these giants to their knees. The takeaway: success is rented, and the rent is due every day. Adapt, listen, or get left behind. Want to see how a street kid became a billionaire? Or learn how to survive the 2025 crash? Tap 1 and keep watching. Your future might depend on it.